Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete or remove junk files in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for prefetched. Again, type for prefetched. Once you're done typing, click on OK option to continue. So click on continue to give permission in running this file folder or location. And here you would be able to see all of the chunk files, the registries, the bugs that are being created by the system and not by you. So definitely it won't delete any of the important data that you have saved in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So all you need to do is you need to press Control A key in the keyboard to select the whole. And once you have selected it, press Shift to delete. Okay. Shift and delete key to delete it and go with yes to continue. Once you have seen that this folder is being emptied, close the window and use the Windows and R key again at the keyboard, and this time please type for temp. So type for temp and click on OK, and you would be able to see a junk files here. In my case, my folder is empty since I have just done cleaning a while ago. But if you, in your case, you have seen, you would be able to see all of the junk files again, the registries, the bugs that is being created by the system. So press Ctrl A to select the whole and Shift to delete, or simply click on this trash bin icon to delete it. Once you have deleted it and ensure that the folder is being emptied, press Ctrl R again. I mean Windows and R key together. Sorry for that. Windows and R key together again and type this time for temp percentage. Once you're done typing, click on OK and you would be able to see all of the junk files again. So press Ctrl A to select the whole and Shift and delete key together to delete it, and go with yes to confirm your action. So if some of the folders are being denied, just skip it to continue the process. So if some of the files are being used, skip it as well. Once you're good, close the window and press Windows and R key together again, but this time please type for clean MGR. Click on the enter key or OK option to continue, and it will show you the disk cleanup. So this small window would appear where you can clean your disk. Go with this one to check all of the boxes here, and my disk cleanup will free up to 14.2 MB. In your case, it might be in gigabyte size. Okay, the reason why I only have the smaller MB of the space to clean up with or to free up with is that I have just done cleaning earlier. Okay, so in your case, it might be bigger than mine. So go with OK and go with delete files. In that way, you will be able to clean all of the junks, the registries, the bugs that your system has been creating with. Once you're good to go. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.